Onpassive, the giant IT company, is rolling out the red carpet for all future customers and resellers of Onpassive's business and social solutions. Our solutions are what customers, users, and resellers have been clamoring for all their business and social lives. Onpassive has taken note of the fact that you haven't been successful in your businesses, and it has affected your social life as well. 98% have failed on the internet. We are inviting you to come in as customers and resellers and completely change your lives and those you dearly love. Onpassive is giving you free business solutions in your business that will alter the course of your business. 2 solutions address your business's O-mail and O-trim. Those are yours as gifts. The solution for your social life is called O-net. Go to onpassive.com and register for all 3 solutions at no cost to you. When you register as a customer, you enter into the technology of the Onpassive ecosystem. Your red carpet is waiting for you.